Hi folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 SLT. Stock number is 28095AT. It is a gray in color. Here's the fog lights for you. It's got brand new tires on it. Lifts it up here. It's got a little bit of rust right there in the front, just a little piece. I don't know if it's like a rhino liner, it's something in that. A little bit of rust right here when you open the door. Cloth interior. CD player, radio. Cruise control. This vehicle is as is, no dealer warranty. It is the mega cab. Seats push up, slide forward if you'd like. Plenty of room here in the back seat. Pretty good looking truck. It's got a liner in the bed. Some bubbling right there. A little bit right there. Again, folks, this is Cody Smith here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Looking at a 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 SLT. Stock number again is 28095AT. You can give us a call at 937-778-0830. Visit us online at www.cherychrysler.com. Ask for Cody.